Did you know that sometimes the biggest discoveries happen when we least expect them? Duke had always wondered why he felt different from his pug family, but he never knew just how different until today. As he approached Waterton's crystal-clear lake for a drink, something incredible happened. For the first time ever, Duke saw his true reflection staring back at him. His sleek auburn coat, pointed ears, and lean face looked nothing like the wrinkled, snorting pugs he called family. In that moment, Duke's world changed forever as one question echoed in his mind: where did I really come from?